Unraveling the mystery of catch angle in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we are going to dive into an interesting phrase, catch angle. This phrase isn't very common, but it's a great example of how English can be playful and descriptive. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, catch angle, is not a standard idiom or a widely used expression in English. It's more of a contextual phrase, often used in specific situations. To catch, in English means to capture or seize, and angle refers to a particular way of approaching or considering an issue or problem. So, when combined, catch angle could be interpreted as grasping a particular perspective or understanding a specific aspect of a situation. Let's see how catch angle can be used in different contexts. 1. In photography or filmmaking, we need to catch the right angle to highlight the emotions in this scene. Here, it means finding the best physical camera angle. 2. In sports, the player caught an angle to bypass the defense. This means the player found a strategic position or direction to advance. 3. In problem solving, once I caught the angle of the problem, I could solve it easily. This implies understanding a particular aspect or approach to solving a problem. Understanding similar phrases can help you get a better grasp of catch angle. Some variations include get the angle, similar in use, implying understanding or finding a particular perspective. Find the right angle. This is more about finding the best approach or method. Look at it from a different angle. Suggests considering something from a different perspective or viewpoint. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, catch angle, and its uses in English. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about the creative and contextual use of phrases. Keep practicing and don't forget to catch the right angles in your English learning journey. See you in our next video.